Hello and welcome to the truth of the tornado. If you just want the tutorial for this trick, then skip to this timestamp. But if you want to learn the truth about the tornado, stick around because most people have been lied to. Do you think this trick is called tornado? If not, even better, because believe it or not, tornado is not originally the name of this trick. What? How can it be? There are hundreds of videos with millions of views teaching this trick as tornado. Sad to say, they are all wrong to some degree. And the real name of this trick is extended thumb round. Okay, so where does the term tornado actually come from? It actually came from Japanese notation, not English notation, but it gets a little more complex than that. The Japanese term tornado, named by Hideaki in 1997, originally came from an entirely different trick known in English today as fake double, or thumb round hybrid to index around, but was later changed to spread double in 2001. The extended part of the extended thumb round was also named in 2001. This still begs the question, how, why, and when did extended thumb round adapt the name tornado? To be honest, I'm not even sure. Why should we even care so much about where the name came from? For penciling, it's important to keep Japanese and English notation separate, as they are not similar at all and have completely different structures. When using tornado as an English term, some people get confused if it means extended thumb round continuous or just extended thumb round, so it's best not to use it at all. Also, if you say tornado in conversation with other pen spinners, you're sure to be ripped apart and it'll be obvious you're a beginner, so just don't use it. Say extended thumb round instead. Now that you know the truth of the tornado, let's go on to how to actually do the trick. First of all, the most important and neglected skill in pen spinning is being able to copy tricks from video. All of the best pen spinners have gotten really good at copying tricks from videos, and not many people are talking about it. If you rely too heavily on verbal aid with tutorials, and if you don't learn this important copying skill, you will most definitely plateau at a mediocre level, and ultimately end up quitting early. If you want a more in-depth explanation on this, check out some of my other main pen spinning tutorials. Now that you understand that being able to copy tricks just from slow motion video is essential for improvement, let's go on to the extended thumb round. This is what it looks like. You just need to know how to do the thumb round, and knowing how to bust can help. But there isn't really much I can say other than turn your hand, but you should be able to see that from the video. Now it's just a matter of trial and error. Practice till you get it right. Slow down the video and pause the video as much as you need. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of video, let me know and feel free to check out my other videos on pen spinning. See you next time.